Alright, so 4th grade, y'all are going to be going over soon the different kinds of triangles, okay? So we got a few math terms to do with this triangle mandala, okay? The first one we need to know is simply a point. Points can be turned into corners, points can be used as dots, points can make a mark of reference on our picture. Okay, so a point. The next one we need to do is if we have 2 points, let's say point A and point B, if we draw a line between them and connect them, now we have a ray, okay? Or just like in our art elements, okay, the art element of line. Simply seeing where your pencil, or whatever you're drawing with, has been, because it leaves between point A and point B a trail or line of evidence, okay? So, math terms, a point, a ray, and then we also have the 3 different types of triangles, okay? If I took one and there was another point and we came back, made the letter L, and took these, I'm gonna throw my camera out in the street. Come on, camera. There it goes. If I had one with a perfect corner down here, and we'll put a little cube or little box in this corner to say that this is 90 degrees perfectly down here, okay? This is a right triangle. Yeah, I did that. Okay. If, let's say, our points are far away from each other, okay, and the triangle opens up very wide, and we put a wide curved line to say, wow, this is very open, okay? Obtuse triangle, okay? Obtuse, same as obesity, okay? So it has that same root word that means wide or fat, okay? So obtuse. Let's say the angle we're determining the triangle from, though, is very narrow. Definitely not 90 degrees. It's less. Okay? If it's less than 90 degrees, let's say in this case 45, and in this case over here 110, then this, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so little, okay? It's so little. It's a cute, an acute triangle. And you're probably like, Miss Wilson, I thought this was supposed to be art, not math. Well, that's because we're going to be using these terms to make your triangle mandala. So, I hope you had all these notes. If you haven't gotten all these notes, go ahead and put them down on your paper, okay? Pause me if you need to catch up. And then let's turn to our next paper to start our triangle mandala. The first thing we need to do for our triangle mandala is 2 points. 2 points. That's all you need so far. Between those 2 points, yeah, I want you to put a ray. now that we have a center line to start our mandala with, camera, I'm going to throw you in the street. There it goes. I want you to put other points willy-nilly. Some in, some close, some far. Okay? Using these two, we already have one side of our triangle right here in this ray. So I want you to get out a ruler and use it to trace between these two center points to create triangles. And I want you to use each and every one. Remember, art isn't just about, pretty things. We do have the 7 elements of art, and we are using 3 today: line, shape, and color, because we will eventually color this. So find all your other points and link them to those 2 that you started. Some of them are going to be extremely obtuse. Some of them are going to be very acute, but they're all going to be linked to these first 2. This one might be too. I'm going to cheat just a little bit. I'm going to move this dot, just so these 2 triangles aren't perfectly overlapped on one of their rays. Alright, so go ahead and finish your rays. And here's the thing. I'm going to stop right here so I can show you what to do when I say color. We have taken this and we have split it into all sorts of different shapes. I want you to take colors and fill in each of these different shapes. Okay, so I'll go in with some orange. I'll go in with some blue, but these become a beautiful kaleidoscopic work of art once you're done with them. Okay, so go ahead. You can even add more points if you want to make it even more complex design. Okay, but go ahead, connect all your dots to your 2 center points. Okay, all your points to your 2 center points to make triangles. And I can't wait to see y'all's triangle mandalas when y'all are done with it. All right.